how to change your account email in Whatnot. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step guide or tutorial in order to do so. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can start by opening up the Whatnot application for that and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you do so, we can just go over and look out for the account tab, usually in the bottom of the screen. After that, we should be able to access our page right here. From this section right here, we can just scroll down and look out for the option directly called change email and find it up and tap on it. After that, you will be taken to another page. So follow up the prompts to change your email. You will be redirected to a browser directly. Tap on it and there we go. Now we can change our email, but first of all, we need to enter up our current password. So in this current password box, type in your current password that you have for your account. If you have forgotten, you can tap on forgot password and follow the process to reset your password first. Once it is done, just go over and tap on new email and enter up the new email address that you're trying to enter, and just go over and tap on the option called change email to save up the update, and that will do it, and your email will be immediately updated. And the email you choose must not be linked to another Whatnot account. Each address can only be used once. And that's it, everybody. You can follow this process to change your email for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.